See, our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, has decided that we should take governance to the door of the people. And this responsibility he has given to our Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant. म्हणून आवाज अंगायला I've been given responsibility of Sioli constituency. आणि आमची बाय दिलायला लोबन हे सगळे अरेंजमेंट केले म्हणून मग एक चान्स पडलो टू मीट ऑल द पंचायत सरपंचेस एव्हरीबडी. They have placed their grievances before me. I will take these grievances and inform the Chief Minister, and from there we will move forward. Castle grievances means something. Grievance number 1 is what CRZ issues. Grievance number 2 is regarding some permission from Finance Department, which I will definitely take up. Grievance number 3 is regarding Tourism Department giving land on lease. There I don't know we can do anything because once lease deed is signed, I don't think much can be done. We'll have to wait till the end of the term of the lease deed. But I will definitely convey the sentiments of the people to the Chief Minister. And like these other small things. There have been other charges made. It is very easy to make a charge. I have said, give me a specific complaint, I will take up. If you are not willing to give a specific complaint, I can't help you. For example, somebody spoke about TCP. The plan says setback is so much, but in reality, no setback is being maintained. I सांगितलं एक केस दी म्हाका हांव उलयतां चलयता कितें इशू कितें. दुसरें म्हणल्यार आज व्हडले ग्रीव्हन्सीस जाले ना कित्याक सिओली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी भितर एक आमदार आसा आनी ती सकाळी राती पासून लोकां पासून वावुरता आसा. सो देर वर नॉट मेनी ग्रीव्हन्सीस.